Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Glit. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And also don't forget to smash on the bell icon so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I would also appreciate if you could hit the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back. Welcome back once again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are old here, thank you very much for coming back once again. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to accumulate small amounts of money from this platform, FIC. Alright, so without wasting much time, let us jump into today's video. So when you click on the description, when you click on the link in the description below, it's going to bring you to this interface. Alright, so you can just place your input your mobile number over there, but the first 0 you will eliminate it. Alright, so write 54822. Alright, so with the first 0 you eliminate it, and then you continue with the rest. You enter your password over here, then come and input this code over here. Alright, I've shown you how to register it in my previous video. The link also will be in the description below, so that you can just click it up and then you get registered. So you just have to input this caption over here. Alright, so 69541. Alright, so after that you just have to click on login. Alright, so you can see that the code is incorrect. I couldn't identify the last one, so let us input it once again. So I can see 3854545. Alright, so you just have to click on login. Alright, successfully login. So basically this is the interface of the home page. Alright, so in today's video I thought I'm going to show you how to trick on how to accumulate more money from this platform. So when this interface open, you just have to do what? Go straight, scroll down, you scroll down to the last end. You can see the very last end, which is the FIC deposit insurance giveaway. It's a giveaway, it's for free. Alright, you don't need to deposit. Alright, so you can just click here, over here. I already accumulated it, so you can also click here so that you'll be gaining 0.2 pesos every day without doing anything. Alright, so you accumulate that, so you read the minimum withdrawal, which is 20 cedis. Alright, and then you can also refer and then gain more. And then they also give that spin game, so that you can win maybe 10 cedis, 20 cedis, so 1 cedi. Alright, so here is it, the game over here. You can just click on it. Alright, so every day they'll give you 2 free spins. Alright, which you can do, and I've already accumulated mine already. Alright, so you can just do that, and then if you like, you can even win 40 cedi, 80, 100 cedis. We have that goes 100 is for 100 cedis, so you can see 2, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80. So you can try your luck over here, and then you get your money into your account. Alright, so and then we have the referral also over here, the down over here, which is share. You can just click share, and then you copy your referral link over here, and then share to family and friends. The more they register, the more your chance of winning or accumulating more money in your account. Alright, so let me just take you to straight on how the earning is being distributed. So you can see I've gone for the first package, which is the 50 cedis package. Alright, which gives me every hour 0.1 let's say 0.1 Ghana cedis. Alright, which is 10 pesos every hour. Okay, so you can accumulate that for 24 hours, and when you calculate it, you can see how much you are making every day. And then we have the giveaway, which I've shown over here. I've already accumulated those monies already, which comes every day. All right, so you can just accumulate that. If you can't deposit, then you can just do the giveaway and then wait, and then when it reach the minimum or withdrawal, which is 20 cedis, then you can do what, you can just withdraw. All right, so in this video, let me take you straight to my withdrawal records. All right, so you can just come to user over here and then come to withdrawal record. All right, so you can just click on it, and then this is the interface. So you can just click over here. It's not today that I've done the withdrawal, so it will not come today. So you just have to do what, click there, and then you come to, let's say, for the last 30 days record. So you can just click here, and then you can see the withdrawal details. You can see I've withdrawn, that's 22 series, but the service charge is 3 cedi 96 pesos, and I've been credited with 18 series of 4 pesos. All right, so you can see the date in which the money is being collected or being transferred. All right, and every details over there. So I'll just take you straight to my message, and then you can see the money also over here. You can see 18 series 4 pesos over here. All right, so you can just click on your referral link, and then you refer more, and then you gain more. And also, this is your balance. Your balance will be appearing here, your share income, and then your buy income. All right, so everything you do to be appearing at the top over here. Thank you very much. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are old here, thank you very much for coming back once.